This video is to quickly show how the Microsoft Office Importer Insert PDF feature, which you can see right here, is different and much better than using the native Revit link PDF feature, which you can see right here. So let me start with the Revit native feature, and I'm just going to click on it, and the first thing you get is the option go and select the PDF that you're going to be pasting. And here we go. So you're going to see this is a 12-page PDF, and it's going to lay out all of the pages from that PDF. So you can select which one you want to paste. So I'm just going to choose the first one, and there it is. And let's do one more for kicks. And totally arbitrarily, I'm choosing page 8. And there we go. So there's page 8, 1 and 8. Now, let's move on to the Microsoft Office Importer feature. I'm going to click the Insert PDF option. And initially, it's basically the same thing. The dialog box looks a little different, but it's the same concept. You're just navigating to the PDF you want to paste. So we do that. Now, immediately see a huge difference because you don't see all the pages laid out. And that's because you are not restricted to a single page. You can do as many pages as you want to. Now, right off the bat, I'm just going to do the whole set. You can see here is a range. We're doing a 1-12. That is the entire set. So we pick our origin point of PDF, and in about a second's time, you have the whole deal. That's a beautiful thing. If you wanted to, we can click finish there, and so it'll keep that. And then if we want to do another paste, or just as another example, let's say you did the first pages in another sheet. So now we only do, or want to do, 7 through 12. So we do same process, and there you have it, 7 through 12. So we'll finish that now. The next major feature that's very different between the two is the scale. Because you can only paste one page at a time, the scale is limited to one page at a time as well. So you get the thing in there, and you can go in there now and you can just kind of change it. And that's not too bad. The problem is it works individually, not as a unit. So the difference with Microsoft Office Importer is you hit the Insert PDF. You do this again, and now this time we choose define by 2 points. And so once again, we're going to do all 12 pages, but it's going to be a little bit different because now we're going to be a little precise here. I'm going to put that top in. Now we just move the mouse to the right and down, and we can just squeeze in and finish. And now we have exactly what we want. We've got all our pages perfectly inside our border, and it's a beautiful life. And that's all I wanted to show in this video. Thanks for watching.